Alrighty, what's good everybody? It's Michael Alder here from carpettools.com, and in this video I'm going to show you DIY types how to cut and burn a doorway carpet seam. So check it out. You need a knife with a really sharp blade. Now I'm going to freestyle this one, but if you don't have a steady hand, then you can absolutely use a straight edge and kind of copy the same principles. So we have our doorway here. We got two pieces of carpet. We want to get a nice fresh cut so our seam turns out nice and clean. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold back this top piece and get you a close up real quick. See how we got these lines going across here? I'm just going to trace one of those for my seam edge. So I got my blade fresh, razor ready to go, tracing a line. And like I said, if you don't have a steady hand, just get a straight edge, line it up with these, and go ahead and get a fresh cut on the carpet. Alrighty, first piece is cut, going straight across. Now I'm going to make little markers on our secondary piece that I still need to cut. So I'm basically spreading the nap with my razor and then just cutting a small slice into it, making a little incision to mark it all the way down every 4 to 6 inches or so. Now you cannot do this on Berber carpets. It'll be an entirely different approach for that, and I'll create videos on that. But these cheap plush carpets, this works great for these. So we're gonna fold it over now. So you got a slice there, one there. Now I'm just gonna trace each one of these to get my second seam edge ready. All right, cool, we're good, we're lined up, we're ready to rock. Now it's time to tape it and actually burn it, put everything together. So, this is our seam tape. We're gonna go wall to wall with this. I'm gonna actually fold over the sides like this and then tuck that under. You don't necessarily have to do that, it's just my style on it. Some other installers do that, some just cut wall to wall. Either way is fine as long as you get the end result looking good. Next, take our seam iron, put it on the seam. We're gonna let that go for roughly 10 seconds. And then we're going to move it an iron's length forward. Make sure the backing's nice and tight in the glue. Let this sit for a minute. Trim down the sides just to kill a second. Take my hook knife, tuck that in. I'm going to go ahead and slide it to the end now. Let that sit for a minute or two. Not really, a few seconds. Getting ahead of myself there. And then we're going to slide it out, get it out of the way, get that together, so you can see the end of it, and then just trim these. Bam. finished seam. So once that's dried, we're gonna go ahead and stretch across this hallway there, seam that other doorway on, and keep pressing forward. So for more how-to carpet videos like this, be sure to subscribe and drop by carpettools.com, as we got crazy promos going on over there all the time. Thank you so much for tuning in,